Cairo?
Been here plenty. Never seen it like this.
I was warned you, right?
The Cairo's on the verge of burning.
Has been ever since Pax became Egypt's ally.
Won't be long before this place goes up.
My people have had Pax's brutes on their throat long enough.
What happened to the army?
Pax came in to support us. Now, they're the ones calling the shots.
Mar. I can see why people are pissed.
It's a tinderbox. All you need is a spark. You Marsak dudes aren't a spark, are you?
Not our style. We ain't here to make things worse. We got our mission, getting Salim and the intel in out clean.
I admire your confidence.
So the Salim guy's a pretty big deal around here, huh?
He blows smoke up his own ass. Ever since his company became the #1 supplier of biometrics around the globe. We haven't heard the end of it.
It looks like Pax isn't too happy about him either.
You make a deal with the devil.
And now he's our problem.
Explains why Mills put us together.
Salim was in contact a couple weeks back. He knew Pax were closing in, so we brokered some kind of deal.
Of course he did. Everything is transactional with men like that.
Keep a low profile, Dagger.
Guys?
Not our mission, Lopez. Our mission is big picture. Copy that? We get that intel, dominoes start to fall. But for now, it's all we can do. New route?
Plan B, Habibi.
Great.
Straight to the shitty part of the plan.
Why can we never be plan A?
Shooters, dismount.
I'll have eyes on you once the drone is up.
Thanks for the ride, friend.
See you at the evac. Try not to get in any trouble, yes?
You heard the man, no trouble. We infill through the sewer entrance just ahead. Let's move. Hemlock, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger, please.
We're commencing infill now. We'll report once we reach the target location, over.
Understood.
Dagger, NVG's off. Murphy, the lock. On me.
All this disorder. We sure the asset's gonna be in one piece when we get there?
12-foot palace walls are a pretty good deterrent. Pax above, hold your fire.
Salim's playing a dangerous game.
All the public knows that his company's at the cutting edge.
The serious business happens in private, financing packs, propping up puppet regimes, troop smuggling, you name it.
A real charmer.
Has. About Kincaid. What's the deal? You look like you'd seen a ghost.
You heard of Farouk al-Bashir? Henry Blackburn?
Yeah. There's a whole module on it at the academy.
Yeah, well, I was part of that operation. JSOC. The plausible deniability kind. Border of Iran and Syria.
Clear.
The JSOC mission. What went down?
There was an SAS and Delta joint op, gathering intel on Iranian chemical weapons. Except there was a comm snafu. We got cornered by an IRG battalion and shit went down like you wouldn't believe.
Losses?
Too many. US blamed the UK and vice versa. It was a whole diplomatic clusterfuck.
And Kincaid?
Troop commander of the SAS unit. Dependable. The kind of guy you'd want by your side. He'd seen it all. Iraq, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Northern Ireland.
But?
Listen, Kincaid went back for his troops and he didn't return. I made the call. Contact above.
Accesso a Gibraltar.
Now we're losing control of Cairo. Makes me nervous.
We can handle a few protests. Look at that rifle in your hand. You're packed fucking Hamata.
It's not the civilians I'm worried about. The generals might have rolled over, but the rest?
Shh. Ahead.
You see anyone outside there with guns? The army won't do shit. Get your head in the game.
Yeah, maybe. All right, let's move.
Clear.
Al-Khatib, we're through the sewers. Is your drone up?
Iowa, drone airborne. Confirming visual on you now.
Copy that.
Clear to move.
Dagger, advance.
Patrol incoming, on your right.
Get down. Stay low. Hold your fire. We don't want to start a firefight on the streets. We're good. Move.
So you left Kincaid behind?
He knew the risks, and I had my own team to save. I waited, but look, sometimes there are no good options. You get that, right, Murph?
Yeah, I get it.
عالم مجنون. القاهرة مولعة والمرتدين مستنيني أبيع له. عبطة.
Stay low. Bax patrol ahead. Take the next right. One of them is isolated.
They're to engage.
More Bax around the corner.
Take him out. Quietly. Fuck, they are still. Stay alert. More nearby.
4 hostiles blocking your path.
Any way around?
Not this time, my friend.
Dagger. On my mark.
Where the fuck is he? We've got to resume our patrol.
Sharpen up, Murphy. I need you focused.
Nicely done, cowboys. Clear ahead. Take the left and then turn right.
Cross the road, fast. Do not engage.
Al-Khatib, we got a visual on the palace.
Copy that. Starting now.
See what I'm seeing? Packs are swarming all over this place.
Maybe agency surveillance ain't up to scratch.
No. It's not the first time they've slipped SAT cover.
The wall.
Al-Khatib, we're going over the wall. You see an entry point?
I see an easy climb. Out of sight. Mark on their attack.
Roger, moving.
Carter, I can't risk getting in closer. Pulling the drone away.
Appreciate the escort, Al-Khatib. All right, it's just us now. Let's hustle.
Be careful. Weapons ready. Taken out.
Headlock, copy.
Reading Carter. Status report.
Asset potentially compromised. Packs are in the AO.
What's your assessment?
We infill over the compound walls, cut the power, and secure the asset.
Carter, this is Mills. The asset situation is volatile.
How can you be sure, Mills?
You have to trust me like I trust you. Priority is securing the intel. Is that understood?
Roger that.
Bags in the courtyard. What's the play?
We go quiet. Let's head for the breaker. On me. Stay low. Use the shadows. down here. Lope, Gecko, cover the entrance. Murph, let's dim the lights.
Copy.
Copy that.
Murph, you're up.
On it. Cutting power in 3, 2...
Weapons free, Dagger. Let's go secure the asset.
Not long before the backup kicks in.
You heard the man, no time to lose. Sweep the building hard and fast.
Shock and fucking awe.
Weapons free!
On it.
Ammo over there. This place is gonna go up into flames.
Along with our asset if we don't push on. This floor is clear. Sweep upstairs. Move!
Swapping out kit.
Start checking rooms. He's gotta be here somewhere.
Grenade inbound!
This room.
Door. Ready.
Drop some rounds for you. Room clear.
Anything?
Nada.
مين هنا؟ مين اخترته؟
We need to move.
We're compromised.
Nothing changes. Push on.
Temple.
Clear right.
Clear.
Clear left.
Clear. Let's get to work.
Jeez.
Guy?
Yeah. Damn it. It's Salim.
Talk to me, Lopez.
Dude's a mess. I think the gunshot must have hit her artery.
Is he gonna make it?
Guys, we got 4 dead bodies already. We're gonna have 4 more if we don't pick up the pace.
There's nothing I can do for him.
We need that intel. Salim. Mills sent us more friendlies.
Mills. She promised me.
I'm sorry, we need that intel.
I trusted her.
The intel, Salim.
Okay, buddy, you are not okay.
What's a holdup, boys?
Salim. Salim.
This day could not get any worse if it tried.
It's the thumb.
The what?
He's a tech guru.
Check it.
We're gonna have company real soon.
Yeah. Think we got something.
RFID implant.
Holy smoke.
We need it.
Has.
Murphy, the thumb.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast.
Join the Marines, they said. You'll see the world, they said.
Here we go. Game time, boys.
Sorry, Salim.
Gotta haul ass. Head to the exfil.
Fire spreading. Someone's on our exit.
Hey, Firm! Got no visibility. Exit through the garden.
Can't hold it much longer. Need to find cover. Look out for the tree.
Drop down there! Let's move!
Shotgun here if you need it.
Towards the garden.
Weapons free!
On it. Reloading.
Get into position. Reloading.
Provide cover fire! Reloading! Reloading! Cover me!
Got a grenade here.
Weapons free!
Roger that.
Reloading! Whoa!
Not going that way.
Marksman down! Got more lead for you!
Over here. Out to the garden.
More of them! In the garden! Do not get cornered here. Clear this area and book it to the RZ. Copy!
Copy!
Copy that.
Exit through the gate at the rear.
Marksman down!
Weapons free!
Copy.
Hostile using cover.
Reloading!
Enemy down.
Al-Khatib, you read?
Roger, Dagger. Bax's comms are blazing.
We're coming out hot. That extraction team ready?
Affirmative. En route to the souk. Head to the main event.
The market's still the exfil. We stick to the plan.
Bird in the sky.
I see it.
Maybe it's ground control.
Maybe it is. Perfect. Take point. Move.
civilians up ahead.
Guess not all of them are in the streets.
Yeah, I don't blame them. Cairo's on a knife's edge. Keep moving. We've brought enough bad luck to the city tonight.
This op has been so messed up.
We've been dealt shit cards all night. All we can do is play them.
This is Hemlock. Sit rep.
We've secured the intel, moving to the exfil now. Over.
And to me,
Op went loud. The asset didn't make it.
all that matters is the intel bag at 1-3. Hemlock, out.
That's the tower. We're almost there, Dagger. Nicely done, Murph. This hasn't been easy.
We're at the souk.
The van is in position. Signaling my team now. Make it fast.
Hustle.
Take cover! Contact ahead!
Take the left. Murphy, get moving.
Ammo over there.
Carter's head!
Reloading! Cover me!
Run me down! Enemy exposed!
Front! Reloading! Cover me!
Weapon dry! Reloading! Friendly, down!
Helos back! Get down!
Don't give him an inch!
This way! Through the building!
Got a grenade here!
Al-Khatib. The exfil.
The losses will be felt. But we will not lose anyone else today.
Need a new link up. Moving through the souk. Under heavy fire.
There's a plaza. One click south.
Plaza. Due south.
MG down! Reloading!
Take these rounds.
To the right! In here! Fast!
Ammo, over there.
Weapon here.
Helo's bugging out.
Finally, some good news.
Exfil's just ahead. Dagger actual on approach. Sit rep Al-Khatib.
En route to pickup.
Hold up there!
Rear!
Talk to me.
Rooftop!
Shit, the intel. Hey, stay back! That's an order! No! Get go!
Hostile down!
Lopez!
Feels like I got hit in the chest by a sledgehammer.
Yeah, well, next time, do as you're told, Marine. Al-Khatib, where the fuck is our exfil?
Closing in, brother.
Gecko, help me with Lopez. Murphy's stick on our sticks. On your feet, Marine.
Ammo over there.
Contact! Engaging! Commence firing!
Copy. Target eliminated. Target behind cover. Keep going! Don't let up!
Reloading!
Target behind cover.
Go, go, go!
Reloading! Keep him off me!
Dagger, we have a problem. Kilo circling back to your position. Find cover.
We gotta move Lopez!
Oh, man.
Incoming!
Get to cover!
Motherfuckers!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
I'm good.
Same here.
Nothing new.
Al-Khatib, ETA?
5 mics.
Commence firing!
Copy!
Got a grenade.
60 meters, elevated!
Weapons free.
On it.
Heavy gunner eliminated. Reloading! Cover me! Shotgunner down! Reloading!
Keep going, don't let up! Clean kill.
Dagger, gunship back inbound.
Gecko, help me move Lopez now! Into that building, move! Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger!
Roger that.
Could use this. Found a launcher! No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph. Go light that bird up.
Could use this.
We're holed up in a two-story building back of the plaza. Get down! Hit it when I draw its fire.
Hit it again!
Contact! Packed entering the plaza.
Weapons free! Provide cover fire! Reloading!
Bird is coming back. It's hovering. Take your shot. Wait until it's focused on me.
Need a medic!
Take it out, Murph.
You're a lifesaver.
Hit it while it hovers. Covering! Murphy, now's your chance! Solid hit! Bring it down!
Murphy, Pax is closing in! Far side!
Need to reload!
Stop! Provide cover fire! Reloading!
Copy! Right on target! Helo's circling back!
Line up! Now!
Still got that intel, Loeb? Yeah, I got it. What's next, Has?